Hey there, how's it going? Welcome to another episode of the Fashion with Rahul Show. This is season 3, the winter season. And in this episode, we're going to be going over scarves. So we're going to be going over what the scarf is and the different things that you have to keep in mind when choosing a scarf and 2 different ways that you can wear the scarf. Now, you might be wondering why 2? There's so many other ways to wear the scarf, and I agree with that. But I want to keep this video super short. So this is like part 1, and I'll be uploading another video or another episode, and that'll be part 2, where I'll be focusing on 4 more ways that you can wear the scarf. All right, so let's go. A scarf is a piece of cloth that is worn around the neck. It is a rectangular piece of fabric that is around 10 inches wide and 70 inches long. A scarf will protect you from the cold wind, keep you warm, and also add to your fashion statement, making it the perfect wardrobe essential. Scarves are made from different materials such as cotton, silk, linen, wool, chiffon, and acrylic. When picking a scarf for the winter, I would say go for a woolen or an acrylic scarf. Also, when you're going for a woolen scarf, you might find it in different weights such as medium or heavy. And you can pick one or the other based on what the weather is outside and how cold it is outside. Now, another thing to consider is the length of the scarf, right? Some scarf tying styles require multiple knots and turns. So if you use a scarf too short for that style, you might not be able to tie the scarf using that style. Similarly, if you choose a scarf too long, it might literally fall in front of you even after tying it around your neck, making it inconvenient for you and not looking good too. Therefore, when choosing the scarf, the length of the scarf is super important. Scarves come in 3 lengths: short, medium, and long. A short scarf is typically around 55 inches long, a medium scarf is typically around 70 inches long, and a long scarf is typically around 82 inches long, okay? So when picking a scarf, make sure it's long or short enough so that you can wear it with a specific scarf style you want to try. And make sure it is in accordance with your height as well, meaning it does not look too long on you given your height. When it comes to the color of the scarf, you can go for neutral colors such as black, white, gray, or brown. And the thing about neutral colors is that they will go well with almost every outfit that you're wearing. So if you want to play it safe and you don't want to like make a mistake when you're matching colors and stuff, you can go for a scarf of neutral colors. On the other hand, if you want to go with something that is slightly bold, then you can go for vibrant colors also, such as maroon, dark blue, or dark green. Let's start with the different ways of wearing the scarf. And the first way is called the drape style. This is the simplest way of wearing the scarf. You just have to take your scarf, put the scarf around your neck, and let it be, as you can see on the screen here. This drape style is great for business and semi-formal events. And the best way to wear the scarf using the drape style is with an overcoat. So, if you're wearing an overcoat with a shirt and tie underneath, you can wear the scarf as a drape style over it and it'll look great. Similarly, if you're wearing an overcoat with a sweater with jeans and a shirt underneath, a draped scarf will look amazing with it too. Also, in both the examples, if you notice, I put the scarf on top of the overcoat, but you can also put the scarf underneath the overcoat, something like this. And that is fine too, and it'll look amazing. Now, when going for this style, the exact length of the scarf will depend on your height and how long your legs are, but overall, you want the scarf to fall down and reach your knee. So keeping that in mind, go for a medium or long length scarf. For thickness, you can go either medium or a heavy weighted scarf. The second way of wearing the scarf is the once around, also called the single loop or the sophisticate. Here are the steps. Step 1. Take the scarf and put it around your neck, something like this. Step 2. Make sure one of the ends of the scarf is longer. For instance, in this scenario, my left end is longer. But you can also use the right end instead and choose the right end to be longer. Any end, either left or right, should be fine. Now take the longer end and put it around your neck or loop it around your neck, something like this. And this is the once around. Super simple and a great style. When going for the once around, go for a medium or long length scarf. And you can wear the once around with multiple outfits such as the flannel shirt with a leather jacket and jeans, the denim jacket with sweater and shirt along with jeans and shoes, the leather jacket with sweater and shirt along with jeans and shoes. Also with this style, you don't need to have both the ends at the same level after wearing the scarf. For instance, even after looping, you can have like one end further longer than the other, and that will look good as well. Alright guys, so that was it. That was 2 different ways that you can wear the scarf, what the scarf is, and how you can choose the scarf. In the next episode, we'll be going over 4 more ways that you can wear the scarf. If you like this video, please hit like. Any comments, I highly appreciate it. Anything that you would like me to go over, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next episode.